Hello, welcome back to another Magic Cat. Today we're back with another quick YouTube video. I need to leave the house. I just wanted to make this video and spotlight a project. Yes, TitanX is coming to Pulsechain. Hold on. No. Not the one made by Jake, ladies and gentlemen, but a very, very bullish one, ladies and gentlemen. It is made by the one and only people behind TitanX Market. Yep. They had a couple important announcement updates that I wanted to highlight, and there's actually a second project coming on to Pulsechain as well that I'm going to cover quickly. There's no ETAs to when the launch dates are, but obviously being Pulsechain, the fact that everything is green and it's beautiful, I want to make this video nonetheless to give you guys spotlights, because it's actually sometimes being on day one in projects dictates whether you're going to become a successful player in them and even potentially a whale in them. Okay. So TitanX, ladies and gentlemen, at the end of the day, I just want to say TitanX is a proven concept and it's still a successful project. Don't get me wrong. 2 days ago, a 750 miner was unlocked, and I'm already RY'd by multiple X's, right? So TitanX is still a W. I personally think it's W to hold TitanX liquid, because you never know in a year time where that value could be. All of a sudden, you know what I mean, deflationary, etc. It's just that I'm holding back because I really want to know where's that all-time low, if we have touched the all-time low or not, the bottom, right? But moving on, ladies and gentlemen, go follow my Twitter. Link description. I'm 2 members away. But before we get to that, okay, why people are coming over from Ethereum to Pulsechain? I just want to show you guys this nice meme right here. Estimated gas fees left kidney. Yep, that's how it's been feeling the past weeks for me in Ethereum, right? Don't get me wrong, and all the members, the people, DeFi Insiders who join, and thank you, by the way, and know this, like, I still operate in Ethereum. I do a lot of, buying and selling over there, swing trading a lot, because, Ethereum is undoubtedly the land of whales, right? It's actually almost very hard to see any JEETs in Ethereum just because of how high gas fees are there. Whales are happy because whales don't like JEETs, okay? So it's kind of a good thing and a bad thing at the same time. But, it lowers the barrier for entry. You want newcomers to be welcomed. People are having enough of it, really, right? You worsen your profit margins. Guys, legit gas fees, I've seen them go up to like $100-something. It doesn't make any sense to me. Like, that doesn't make any, how would you want a network? How's that normal? How's that fine? It's not acceptable, really, actually, sometimes, where I just like, okay, I'm not going to sell, right? Because even if I sell like $1,000 worth, I get hit by 10% tax. The token itself has a 5% tax, so it's like you're losing a lot of money like that. But nonetheless, ladies and gentlemen, right? This is why Pulsechain is beautiful. This is why you're watching this. Okay, look at this. It's green, ladies and gentlemen. It's green. The narratives here are uncomparable. You guys see my video, the last video about PDAI. It's crazy. It's crazy out here. And then just before we get into it, there's another thing I just found really funny. Right there, Graham, that's your 15-year stake we just made for you. Kind of messed up. You made it 15 years for your grandma. That's kind of, that's messed up. Anyways, moving on. As I said, it's made by Witcher, or at least the project is called Witcher. The Telegram is there. Link description is by TitanX Market. So if you guys, I believe it's the people who were behind the, the analytics website, really W team. So very trustable. They have a Telegram 1.2k members. You have to get approved as well. White paper soon, as you guys can see it. There's no ETA to the launch date, but it's really good to stay up to date on this, and I will keep the videos going about this. So let's read what they have, order of what came first. We have an important announcement for you. Unfortunately, due to high gas costs on Ethereum network, our TitanX Market project could not operate effectively. After many hours of simulations, we had to make the difficult decision, I don't think it was that difficult, to come to Pulsechain network, which offers significantly lower fees. The first project on this network will be WitcherX, combined with the best aspects of TitanX with Pulsechain's capabilities. Soon we will launch additional projects, QueenX, KingX, and WitcherX Market. The project launch process will be swift. More information soon, so you guys want to keep an eye on them. Definitely recommend giving them a follow. And then, just another tweet here, WitcherX soon designed for Pulsechain. You can mint it for Pulse, leverage your coins, effective 80% buy and burn, 17% real Pulse payouts for stakers every day. So that's compared to, the 8-day payout, 28-day payout. I'm going to assume it's going to be just 8-day, just a day payout. Daily payout, will be supported by QueenX, KingX, and WitcherX. And I think I also made my own comment right here. I said W name, W network, daily payout for stakers. me likey, right? So it's a good W, right? And here it just also says tweet that the ADR is gonna support TitanX ecosystem by pairing it with TitanX and Pulsechain network, integrating the whole ecosystem for the good of the community. Our goal is to extend our community to include Pulsechain users and to demonstrate to the Ethereum community the advantages of the most cost-effective solution provided by the Pulsechain network. By the way, Pulsechain, does it count as a layer 2 Ethereum? I'm not sure. Let me know in the description. We aim to support and develop the multi-chain project to strengthen and unite the diverse communities that are already intertwined in the TitanX project. The WitcherX project itself is a proven concept of TitanX, but on steroids, and it will be closely connected with QueenX and KingX in a similar style of ATROPA. So I'm going to assume it uses Heart's Law or something like that. We'll see. WitcherX protocol is ready. Our protocols cannot operate effectively on Ethereum, but will bring tons of gains on Pulsechain. Welcome. We welcome everyone around here, by the way. Every project that comes on Pulsechain, we want every project to go up. Like, that's the beauty of things. Like, there's enough money for everyone to win, every project in Pulsechain to win. That's the beauty of being a cycle 1 network. That's the beauty of being so early. That's the beauty of being bull run is around the corner, guys. Come on, right? Come on. So yeah, anyways, the second project here is called GoatX. Actually, I think if I go back here, if you like TitanX, you're gonna love GoatX. That's all the tweets that I have. It's by Deegan Protocol. They do have a Telegram link in the description, so I definitely do suggest you guys join that Telegram as well and give them a follow. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I think I'm gonna end the video there. It's a short video that I need to make. So yeah, TitanX is still bullish, obviously, but as I said, no staking, no mining. It's just holding it liquid, finding the all-time low, and then I'm gonna DCA and hold a long-term bag. It's fine. I don't need to. I can wait. You know what I mean? But in the meantime, Pulsechain is doing its thing, ladies and gentlemen. Right? Like, look at this. Look at this. Everything's green. It feels good. PDAI, ATROPA ecosystem. You got Kiamato ecosystem right now, bullish. Rewarder ecosystem. Tons, a lot of and obviously Richard Heart ecosystem. So yeah, and you got the bull runs holds right there. This is my Ethereum tokens mostly, and some BNB tokens, but I can't click that, guys. Okay, this is for the members only. You'd have to pay me like $100 for me to just show you a screenshot. Damn, you know what I mean? Yeah, these are information, ladies and gentlemen, that I have to put a paywall behind so I can value it, because these are information that I get from other whales. They've gone through multiple bear markets, so I have to give respect and value to their information that they've gone through, right? These are hours that they literally research at night. So yeah, I really appreciate the whales that feed this back to me. Okay, I couldn't do this myself, by the way. Like, what I mean? DeFi Insiders is actually being an insider, and I need to use my network to give you guys that intel. You know what I mean? I'm still not a whale, but I'm acting like a whale until I become one. But I'm friends with a lot of whales, right? It's a simple analogy of like, okay, if you're friends with someone who sells musk, soon enough you will smell like musk. Okay, so be around the people that you want to be with, or you're trying to be like. You know what I mean? And you will soon become like him, literally. So yeah. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna end the video there. I really appreciate the support and the comments that you guys been making me, writing for me. It's been a pleasure making these videos for you. I need to leave right now. Actually, I'm meeting up with some friends. And yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to end the video there. Consider becoming a member. Support my channel. But honestly, you watching this video till now, give it a like, comment, share with your friends. I'm more than happy. I want to hear your thoughts. Give me any feedback. What other project you want me to cover on Pulsechain? And yeah, I'll catch you soon. Join my Telegram, by the way. Link in the description. Whoa. Didn't forget to say that. Almost 400 members, which is crazy that it's the same amount of my Twitter followers. So join my Telegram link description. You find like-minded people. That's where I post charts before I make videos on them. And yeah, you meet my like-minded people. People ask questions. You would have asked those questions too. So it's good to be there. And yeah, I'm gonna end the video there. Guys, hope you have a good day and take care.